You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.